we are back at it again today at beautiful Thunder Valley, Rockingham Speedway here. Stephen Larson. But yeah, so day 2, ready to get this going. Hopefully we can get into the little track today. I don't know if I'm going to go back to the Little Rock, do the high speed entries. It ate up my tire pretty bad yesterday. We did what, 7 laps? 7 laps yesterday. And just those 7 laps, it ate real bad on the driver's side tire, especially the outer wall of it. We ended up rotating them, went and did the little track yesterday and was able to get a lot more runs in that way. But yeah, other than that, about to run through the car, double check some of the fluids, just unloaded everything that was in it. I left the car here in the bay last night, bay number 9 for you, Pop, Casey Kane. Hell yeah. Oh man, just think, I'm in the bay that NASCAR driver Casey Kane was staged in. That's pretty badass. That's cool. Yeah, I'm excited for this day and ready to get this thing going. Oh, here's the little melting spot here. You know, full send type thing. The zip tied on. Oh yeah.
Circus get fried when I bang, speaking that 910 swing. Authentic, these fakers can't hang, end up with 9 in your brain. I just want numbers, not fame, Okay, I'm coming to claim that radio rap is a shame. Shit is so lame, but that's a beast that will tame. I'm cooking that flame in the rock, weapons that burn down your block. I'm moving my car is not stock, base level turn back your clock, propelling myself to the top, I don't think that I can stop. I spot a promiscuous thought, shoot up my shot, dispatch it right there in the lot. Knocking out bitches like Subject. Throw on this track, the whole club get wrecked. Die when the shells and the snub eject. Aesthetics so vintage, I love to flex. System destroyed when the subs connect. Defectors stay fly like a dove with jet. I'm whipping while tripping, but never be slipping. Straight flipping prescriptions from Southern and Mech. Walking my path and our signals will clash. Super left dropping your servers all crash. Geo and Jesus with all Cali trees equal total destruction, so you do the math. World War III, this gon' be a bloodbath. Armed with the desktop producing these slaps. You trying your hardest, but that shit retarded. Yo, let's just be honest, your music is trash.
7 to 2 in my ride, 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 7 to 2 in my ride.
As high as I can get, I ain't higher than a jet, and I'm smoking Smoking on that kush as I'm rolling on that highway. Fill my cup with ice as I'm chilling on this Friday. Roll my L's nice, extend the long, yeah, the tight way. Shawty hit me nice, she blow my bone, yeah, the right way. My weed like it bites, yeah, it's good on them bad days. Yeah, I got the height to keep you right for the wrong ways. Roll my L's long, like walking the mansion's hallways. Damn, that smells strong with clouds down these hallways. Love the pheromones, smoke flowers off the wall's face. Now I'm at my home, smoke flowers in my damn place. In the outer zone, smoking flowers in my own space. King of the throne, so I don't fluff with that big grade. Smoking on that kush, cause I got feel that high grade. This weed you can't push, they say it's too much loud main. This blunt I'ma bust and fill it with this loud main. Leave you like fuck, I hate when he come around, man.
As I'm smoking on that kush, smoking on that kush. Rolling up that kush, as I'm rolling up that kush. As high as I can get, man, higher than a jet. As I'm smoking on that kush, smoking on that kush. Rolling up that kush, as I'm rolling up that kush. As high as I can get, much better than a blunt.
Call my homie up and tell him meet me at the short stop so we can grab a rabbit, hit the plug up for that short shot. I need more pot and less stress, no stems and seeds on the smoke vest. Inhale the fist until I fill my chest and clear the chamber and kill the rest. I need these trees, cause G's can't function without THC. These edibles feel incredible, straight maxing out on that CBD. Leave me be so I can be at peace with my mind. I cheat one leaf at a time until I'm reaching the sky. So chill, baby, come and hit the shit, yo, it's real crazy and you will get lit. These dabs bad, yo, it's a must-have. Come and nab and slab at 82%. Puff blue rocks in the blue docks, blow kush when I'm in the QC. Eat hash brown is when I'm on the job. If you want some, come fuck with me. Know a bad slag, got a Fort Bragg, and I smoke the hood, you let me fucking free. Got contacts for the top gas, come and cop the brand, it's $20 a piece. Catch me cruising 501 with windows down and that real lit. Surrounded by mad clouds aloud, and all you see is my silhouette.
As I'm smoking on that kush, smoking on that kush. Rolling up that kush, as I'm rolling up that kush. As high as I can get, man, higher than a jet. As I'm smoking on that kush, smoking on that kush. Rolling up that kush, as I'm rolling up that kush. As high as I can get, much better than a blunt.
-1. Check it out. Hydro smoking super villain that you love to hate. Pack the 4-4P plus, that equals number 8. Samples combine like Megazords when I run the crates. Hip hop evolves, but my quality never fluctuates. I punctuate, no underscore. More cohorts be lunging more. I got the shit they plunging for. Explicit like it's dungeon porn. I can't bump that fucking corn. Grow your ears, develop taste. Perception high as fuck, cause effect. The sun is hella bass. I smell the fake. Look at the tape and launch a projectile. Styles are way too hard for erectile dysfunction. Touch my shit, get beat like a stepchild. These hoes know they get wild when tax money get filed. That's just the way it be. Self-controller, don't play with me. These haters trying to knock me off. Now that's some shit I pay to see. Darts eliminate any threats in my area. If the price is right, the DC-9 will Drew carrier. Directly out the solar system. It was an accident, at least that's what I told the victim. Peace to all my people locked down in that prison. the yard. Outside swines be crossing the line, but they ain't getting far. Celebrity in the making, Joseph Gordon-Levitt star. Never show my weakness like the code on the back of my debit card. Knowledge has led me to the start realization. You might can't trick the real, but you sure can fool the nation. Psychic signal blockers hijack communications. Empty them fucking pockets now, this is confiscation. PLO type strategy, dropping tragedy. Got fat racks, so these whack MCs are mad at me. Hack the cop another two. Record long the fuck with roots, southern kung fu. My razor blades will chop your gun in two. Tiger versus Crane came to bring the chronic pain. Render all opponents slain. Robot with bionic chains. Fist to split your lip. Microphones with pistol grips. Ballistic missile on her clit, but it's just the tip of the motherfucking iceberg. I'm well spoken, you trying to find the right words. So fuck what you might heard. Ganja ghillie suit hide from the sniper.
Try that 360. That dude in that black 240 with like the white spray paint on it. He's been trying. Nice run, dude. Oh man, there's somebody get the fucking video on that. That was a good run, dude. That's the best run of the weekend.
We gotta check tires. I feel like that might have been it.
I think so, dude. That was killer in that corner, dude. That was all the way, man. You see where you like throttle? You see how you carried it? You stayed in the throttle. Like right when you're on that, because like it still carried you when you're on that throttle. It brought you back in. You didn't go all the way off.
Yeah.
That was good, dude.
Throttle control,
great
man.
Fucking run. I think my
Yeah, we're done. I got wire and shit.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. That was good, man. We were good show for the last run, man. Oh, wow. Yeah, you definitely got wire.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, I wish I had more tire.
You got one more. Go this way. Nah, that was good. And I think that fucking guy with the drone was on you the whole time too on that run. I really do, because he stopped right there when you took off. He came behind us, so I think he was with you.
The tires
are done.
Tires are gone. Oh yeah.
That last run was fucking solid.
Damn, dude. I hate, that's my favorite track, man. That shit was fun.
Yeah, because they said they.
All right, guys, we are done for the day. I've got a funeral I've got to go to for a buddy of mine passed away. It's kind of what this weekend's kind of dedicated to him and Danny Bolajack, my buddy Chad Lane. They were always big supporters of the team, of the group, me driving. And it's the reason why I even got into the 86. So big shout out to them. I'm gonna miss them. Had a great weekend. Damn great weekend. Learned a lot, did a lot, experienced a lot. Definitely looking forward to being back out here. May 21st, I believe. I don't know, I might have to recheck that. I'll put it in the video if it's wrong. But other than that, man, I'm excited for next steps, new comings. Got some more stuff coming in for the car. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys come out, come support, come have fun, take a lap with me. Otherwise, stay sideways.